Welcome back. We are continuing the news. Local authorities in St. Catherine are trying to get help for a family of 5 adults and about 6 children who lost 5 houses in a fire on Brunswick Avenue in Spanish Town Friday morning. It happened about 8:30 and the victims say a mentally ill relative is to blame. The owner of the property says before the fire, a group of men stopped the suspect from making good on a promise to seriously harm a family member with a machete.
You see my kitchen on the back, and the first starts a blaze. Come and live at the back. Right. Because I go inside, we never the gas but or something, I don't know, but we don't pay fire.
Go buy bleach, you know, and I don't know what happened. If I go clean up my house, and when I come a fire, I see my house, you know. I don't catch nothing, I see my baby, and I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go sleep right now.
Councillor for the Hampton Green Division, Teresa Turner Flynn, says the family has already started to get help from the Social Security Ministry and the Disaster Department at the Municipal Corporation. She adds that the Mayor and Member of Parliament are also preparing to help and charity organizations will be approached as well. And that's the local segment. News from overseas after this break.